I know my ladies love the junk cases. Hold up. I got something for you. What about junk keychains? So crazy. I have a thought in my brain. I execute it and bring it to life. I literally be like, dang, Mara did that. So if you want to learn how to make your own junk keychains, stay tuned. Welcome, ladies. If you are new to this channel, my name is Mar and I'm the owner behind all these beautiful creations. Been creating phone cases and many other accessories for the last 11 years. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own junk keychain. This resin kit, got this from Amazon. It comes with everything you need. The UV light as shown right now. Mats, the actual resin, like it comes with everything. The drawer, also got it from Amazon. The glitter right here, I got that from Michael's. And this is what the look that I am referring to. So I already did one side. I'm going to the other side. Make sure you are wearing some type of safety, whether it is goggles or some type of mask, because these chemicals are very harsh. After you put the resin down, you pat that glitter down. Pop, 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 pop. With one of my tools, I move the glitter around and then I start adding the charms and the bling, the pearls. I love this. When it comes with the junk, there is a junk phone case or a junk keychain. I literally feel like my inner child is so happy. I like freestyling when it comes to a custom order because it's the best freestyle. That's what I'm doing. I'm just having fun with it. I do it to the whole keychain until it's covered of my liking. You put like a charm somewhere and you don't like it no more, take it off. Be careful with it though, because like I told you, that resin is very harsh. So be very careful not to touch your face, touch your eyes, touch your mouth. And you cover it one more time with the resin. I hope I'm saying it right because I'll be cracking up if I'll be saying it wrong the whole time. You cover it again to make sure you secure the charms that you put in place before you put it underneath the light, because once you put it underneath the light, it will get hard and you cannot do nothing about it. These junk keychains are located on my Etsy shop if you are interested in just wanting me to create one for you. If you want to try to create your own, check out my bio where the Amazon storefront is and get some of these supplies. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. What you want me to create next? Do you want me to create another junk case? Maybe a different junk keychain? Maybe go step by step with the junk keychains. I don't know. Let me know. I just wanted to make a really quick video because junk is in style.